Welcome back to another video about the 5 most dangerous breeds in the world. There are always new things to learn about the 5 most dangerous breeds in the world. Some breeds were designed by world-class engineers while others were constructed by locals who used materials they found in the nature. These dangerous breeds that you are about to see are so freaky that you will hope you never have to cross them, although they offer some amazing views. In today's video, I will be introducing you to the 5 most dangerous breeds in the world. Maybe you are already watched the video about the 5 most dangerous breeds in the world, and if you have not, you should check it out. Let's go. Number 5. Vitim River Bridge in Russia. Vitim River Bridge is one of the spectacular but dangerous bridges in the world. The old train bridge is located in Siberia, 570 meters long and 50 feet above the water. It has no railings and the width is not wide enough for a car to pass. Number 4. Drift Bridge in Switzerland. Found in the Alps of Getman is a simple suspension bridge called Drift Bridge spanning 170 meters with a height of 100 meters. Number 3. Creek a Red Rope Bridge in UK. A rope bridge in Antrim, Northern Ireland is a Creek a Red Rope Bridge. It is 20 meters long and 30 meters high. The bridge is owned by National Trust and opens all year for tourists. Number 2. Deception Pass Bridge in Washington. Deception Pass Bridge has a total length of 453 meters and width of 8.5 meters. This bridge located in Washington is a 2-lane bridge that links Fidalgo in Deception Pass State Park and Whidbey Island. Number 1. Royal George Bridge in USA. Royal George Bridge is a known tourist attraction in Canyon City, Colorado. It belongs in the list of top 10 highest bridges in the world until 2012.